database list, open this list, and clicking on install uninstall button will load all the modules which are installed and uninstalled in this particular DB. So here essentially this module will be available as in uninstalled module list. So looking at CRM at underscore dashboard, so this is the module which is in the uninstalled stage. So right now I will select this module and then simply click on install. So when I click on install, that will install the CRM dashboard module into a container. So it is completed. We'll simply go here and refresh this particular page and check if the dashboard got installed here or not. For that we may need to go to CRM. We will just refresh it once and then try again, and then we'll go to CRM. So now the dashboard is installed. So that is how you can install any custom module from the SaaS master database into any tenant DB as well.